Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you an affordable prefab home that's completely different than most everything else available. There are a lot of really smart people entering or in the prefab home industry right now, and lucky for us, the result is more cool options to choose from. It doesn't matter if you're looking for something to buy or just like to window shop, some of the options being built right now are incredibly interesting, and it would be silly not to check them all out. I don't know this to be facts, but it seems like there are more new options hitting the market than ever before, but it could just be because I'm paying closer attention. Either way, it's awesome, and there are seemingly endless new homes being built offsite in a variety of different ways at a bunch of different price points. The company I'm talking about is called Liv Connected, and they've got a design and process that's a wee bit different than your typical modular. What I'm going to do is tell you about the company, show you what they're building, and check out their pricing. Liv Connected is a prefab company manufacturing two distinct lines of affordable homes in a 100,000 square foot facility in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania. That kind of reminds me of the small town of Winchester-Tinfieldville, Iowa. Before this, I'd never actually heard of E-Town, but I looked it up and it's got a population of just under 12,000 people and is located about an hour and a half from Baltimore. This is an option for all the people always asking me for something near the East Coast. Sure, a lot of the prefab builders I feature on my channel are located on the West Coast, but not all of them, and better yet, Liv Connected will deliver to wherever you're located. They describe themselves as affordable architect design homes, build for your lifestyle, and say they're building the future of home ownership. I've noticed a lot of people with backgrounds outside of this industry are moving into offsite construction, and fresh eyes result in new designs, which is great. Bring on the new. We want all the choices. Liv Connected was founded in 2019 by a team of architects, healthcare providers, live event professionals, and they say by bringing unique voices to the conversation around traditional home construction, Liv Connected has created methods and processes that put homeowners' well-being first. This includes a focus on incorporating health-related tech into homes, providing owners with secure, private, and convenient care for preventative and urgent medical needs. What sets Liv apart from many of the other options currently available in the market is their click system. In their system, the core parts of the home come fully assembled from the factory and act as structural support of the home. An example of a core part would be the kitchen. It would come complete with all appliances, finishes, and fixtures installed, allowing for a faster installation. Then they use their link pieces to create rooms of any size, and clients can configure the rest of the home to best suit their needs. When you think about it, for core parts, most homes have one kitchen and one or two bathrooms, and it's a combination of interior and exterior walls that dictate the layout of the rest of the home. So with their link pieces, it's almost a blank canvas for customization. When Liv Connected decided to enter the modular home industry, they identified two options currently being offered. The first was great design at high prices, and the second was affordable options with little regard for design. Their mission is to bridge the divide with a combination of elegant design at affordable prices, and I know there will be a lot of people looking for exactly that. If I post something very affordable, I'll get a lot of comments about the design or lack thereof, but if I post something with a high-end design, I'll get a lot of comments about the price. Never fails. It's like clockwork. I've yet to present an option that makes every single person happy, but I've come to realize that's never going to happen. However, if Liv Connected or anyone else can find a happy medium that gives people the best of both worlds, they'll be taking more orders than Papa John's on 50% off day. Monday, where I live. I've got a standing order. Liv currently delivers homes clear across the United States with shipping costs calculated depending on location. They've got a section on their website that I found pretty interesting that compares Liv Connected homes to traditional modular to site-built construction in regards to freight and other metrics. For freight, you can see we've got the Liv Connected home with 1 truck, other modular homes 2 trucks, and on-site building 4 trucks. It says their 1-bedroom Conexus home is designed to fit on 1 oversized truck, reducing the need for road shutdowns, extra permits, and the added cost of wide load trucks. I'm currently in the other modular space and can confirm it's pricey. The trucks are specialized, the routes are rarely ever the same, and the amount of work fluctuates depending on the time of the year, so we pay more per mile than the guy moving 1,000 loaves of bread. As we should. Liv has their entire buying process laid out plain and simple on their website, and apparently if you buy a Liv Connected home, you'll be treated like family. Sounds pretty good. It says through every step of the home buying process, we're committed to top quality design, efficiency, and personalized care. I've looked at a lot of process breakdowns, and this one is more in depth than most. I'm not going to go through every detail right now because it would bore most people to sleep, but the main points are discover your site, plan your home, build, and make your move. Let's check out a few of their homes already. The most affordable lineup of homes currently available from Liv Connected is their Via Tiny Homes. The description says Via Tiny Homes are designed for a life in motion. Whether you're on the move, downsizing, simplifying, or vacationing, the Via Tiny Home is all about ergonomics, comfort, and great design. Within the Via lineup, there are 3 different models with or without a loft for a total of 6 different options. The Via Standard is their base model that's designed for rapid deployment with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. A nice feature they have on their website is the ability to customize and price out one of their homes in a matter of a couple minutes. The floor plan has the bedroom at one end, bathroom in the middle, then the kitchen and living room. The standard Via is 24 feet long with options to extend in 2-foot increments up to 32 feet. Up from the standard, they have the Via Modern and the Via Farmhouse, and all 3 have the option to add a loft. The Via are cool options, but I'm more excited about the Conexus. Liv Connect's larger line of homes is called Conexus, and this is what I think people are really going to be excited about. They say the Conexus home marries high design and high function with rapid installation. Our basic 1-bedroom model has all the elements of home, but can be added to as needed to create 2- and 3-bedroom models. This is where the link pieces come in, and you can customize by adding to the core parts of the home to create the space you want. Their basic floor plan is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom that's 500 square feet. The floor plan is similar to the Via, just bigger with the bedroom on the end, bathroom in the middle, then kitchen, and finally living room. On top of that, a couple of the features that would work well for how I live my life are the covered porch, built-in desk, and closet space in the bedroom. It isn't a huge amount of closet space, but I don't really have that many clothes. I pretty much have this black t-shirt in a couple different shades of faded. Beyond their basic 1-bedroom plan, they have 4 more larger versions to choose from depending on what you want, what you need, and your budget. They have a 1-bedroom with a utility room at 587 square feet. They have a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom at 745 square feet. They have an angled 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom plus utility room at 1,100 square feet. I think this is a cool design. The 1/2 is the basic 1-bedroom plan. Then there's a hall that connects to another side of the home that's got a bedroom, utility room, and flex room. Not only do both sides have porches, but there is an optional deck that connects the 2 sides. Their biggest option currently available is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom plus utility room at 1,205 square feet. Before I wrap this up, I am going to quickly check out their pricing, but keep in mind prices can and usually do change, so depending on when you're watching this, it may or may not still be accurate. The Via Standard starts at $90,000, the Via Modern starts at $115,000, the Via Farmhouse starts at $119,000, the basic 1-bedroom Conexus starts at $150,000, and they go up to $365,000 for the 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Liv Connected is delivering their own spin on prefab homes and bridging the gap between affordable and design. I really like how they found a way to cut down on shipping costs, because that can be a huge expense, especially if the home is traveling a long distance. I always get a lot of comments from people asking for options available on the eastern half of the United States, so if this was you, here's a good one to look into. I think the homes look cool and they'll most likely be quite busy, so I'm going to follow along and see what moves they make next. Whether it's more floor plans, new designs, or expanding into a second or larger space, I'll be posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.